The internet is a vast space where you can find a variety of things, including online job opportunities, making new friends, finding a suitable partner, online shopping, money-making platforms, and much more. Along with the advancement of devices that allow us to access the internet wherever we are and do whatever we want over the last decade because of its convenience and reliability, many businesses have moved online. Companies or individuals in the service provider industry are also included. Welcome to Daily Payday, where we find online opportunities for you to start making money online without the hassle. For today's video, I introduce you to a site that will pay through PayPal just by providing the service that it needs. If you like contents like this, subscribe to our channel so videos like this will keep showing up on your feed. And don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and smash the notification bell so you'll get an update every time we have a new upload. The strategy I'm about to teach you works, and this is a new method that will allow you to earn a reasonable amount of money every few seconds. Now stay with me and watch this video to the end so you don't miss out on any information I'm about to share with you. Remember, this is an opportunity that allows you to earn money without having to invest any money. All you need is a device and an internet connection. Now let's monetize your time online. The website that I'm about to introduce to you is called 5squid.com. This website does not mean that you can see, buy, or sell squid or any other aquatic animal on it. Rather, it is a website where you can provide service or find someone to complete a task for you. This is a beginner-friendly website that will pay you $8 for each services rendered. I'll show you how to take advantage of this website and make the most of your time online so you don't feel like you're wasting your time and getting too little in return. As you navigate through their website, you can see that there are people here who has a wide array of offers ranging from services offers, creating videos, graphic, or content, but you don't need to worry because we will not be doing that today, and instead we'll utilize a feature in this website that not a lot of people knows of. Returning to the top of their page, you'll notice a search box on the left-hand screen area. You can see all the different categories available by clicking on the 3 horizontal lines adjacent to that box. And if you want to try and offer your own unique skills in addition to what I'm about to teach you today, you can do so. But bear with me for a moment because the method I'm about to share with you takes only seconds and requires no prior knowledge. After you've looked through their categories, type in your message in the search bar. This is a new keyword available in 5squid.com, and after you click enter, you'll see a plethora of services offered from all over the globe, as seen here. You can also see that people who used this method made money without putting in any effort by using it without providing graphics, videos, or any other creative medium, without selling, and most importantly, without using any affiliate links. Making money with this strategy is simple. You don't have to overthink it because I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you'll see that it's really not that difficult. In comparison to others who provide the same service, you'll also be making money with the least amount of effort. The only thing that remains is a photograph, and not just any photograph, but one that is dynamic. A dynamic picture is essentially a static image of someone or something, but the text can be changed, which we can get from heatmeal.com. Before we go any further, I'd like to hear your thoughts so far. Please leave your comments in the box below and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell to receive an update every time we post a new video. Heatmeal.com is a website that allows you to use and modify a dynamic image in 3 different ways. Basically, they have 3 different pictures that you can edit, as well as the ability to change the text that is already present. You'll see the 3 options as soon as you open the heatmeal.com website. It features Einstein's chalkboard, Uncle Sam, and Quaker, among others. You can personalize this photo by changing the original text and adding your own phrase. You can easily download the image to your laptop or desktop computer, or take a screenshot with your smartphone. You can follow along with me and open heatmeal.com right now on your device for a step-by-step guide. For the sake of this video, we'll use Uncle Sam, and when you click on it, you'll be taken to this page where you can see the text, "Uncle Sam, I want you," picture in a bold, big letters. Below that is a text box that can be modified. Replace the text inside the box with your own phrase, such as to subscribe to our channel. Then click change image. And I want you to do is to replace with a phrase of your choice, and this is how it will look like. This photo is easily downloadable, and you can monetize this if you upload it on 5squid.com. You can pretty much do the same method using Einstein chalkboard and the Quaker Guy images. This method is how you can make money on 5squid.com with a lot less effort because an IA will do almost everything for you. You can sell this service at 5squid by simply editing or changing the words to suit the needs of the customer, and many people overlook it because it is so simple to implement. This is an excellent opportunity for beginners because no technical creativity or skills are required. Simply use the Heatmail for your convenience and change the wording to suit your client's requirements. To be able to monetize your services at 5squid.com, you have to sign up and create an account first. You can do so by simply clicking the join button and give them all the necessary information needed to set up your account. As I previously stated, I will share with you some tips that will help you earn more than what others do. There is another website called Fiverr.com that functions similarly to 5squid.com. This website is a place where everyday ordinary people like you and me can create opportunities for ourselves that would otherwise be impossible. Fiverr is a site worth spending some extra time on because it allows you to sell your skills and expertise to people all over the world and earn money. Because this site functions similarly to 5squid, you can make money online by using both of these sites. This is done in order to maximize your earning potential and earn twice as much money as possible. This website is simply to use and requires a little effort. You can make a decent amount of money in a matter of seconds by using both of these websites. Keep in mind that both of the websites I've recommended are completely free and available worldwide. Rather than just lying in bed or in the couch with your phone in front of you, wasting your time by scrolling through each social media account you have, why not consider monetizing your time online? Take a look at these online profits, for instance. These income stats are sufficient to meet your needs and desires. It will not only give you a sense of accomplishment, but it will also allow you to reward yourself with anything you want with the money you earn. So instead of passing up this opportunity, I recommend that you start trying to make money online right now. You can try out the method that I just taught you right after this video ends. Comments, suggestions, and reactions are welcome on the box down below. And if you like contents like this, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like this video. Also, click that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we post a new upload. That is it for today. Ciao!